k square minus 1 is divisible by 8 if k is, so nice question from numbers, divisibility idea. So k square minus 1 will be divisible by 8 when k should be how should be here k. So we have the options. So first we'll go by options. If k is an integer, will it work? So okay, we'll randomly check this. So what if we take k equal to 1? 1 square minus 1 is 0. Yes, it's working. 0 is divisible by 8. If I take k is 2, will it work? 2 square minus 1 is equal to 1. Is 1 divisible by 8? It's not working. That means it will not work for any integer. Option A can't be the right answer. With the same sense, I can remove option B also. A natural number. 2 is a natural number which is not working. 1 works, it's a natural number, it works. But is it working for any natural number? Says if k is a natural number. No. If k is a natural number, 2 is not working. 2 is gone. And even integer with the same claim, we can reject C also. Because k is equal to 2 is an even integer. It's not working. We are only left with D. That must be the right answer. So k square minus 1 will be divisible by 8 whenever k is an odd integer. So that's the right answer. But anyways, we'll see with a proper proof. We'll try to verify. Will it work for any odd integer? It can work for the first few odd integers. Okay, let's take 1. 1 square minus 1, 0. Yeah, it's working. We'll take 3. 3 square minus 1 is 8. Yeah, 8 is divisible by 8. We'll try 5. 5 square minus 1 is 24. It works. So how long can we check? Will it be true for every odd integer? We'll check that. What expression we have? K square minus 1. We'll have to check whether it is divisible by 8. When k is an odd number. Say k is an odd number. We'll try to verify that. Fine. Now this is k square minus 1. We can factorize it. K minus 1 into k plus 1 by 8. Now we have one beautiful idea. If k is an odd integer, for us k is odd. That means we can tell something. K minus 1 and k plus 1, they both should be even. And they should be two consecutive even numbers. Because this is k minus 1, this is k minus 1 plus 2. So I can write it as k minus 1 into k minus 1 plus 2. This is divisible by 8 or not. That's what we have to check. Now this is an even number. This is the next even number. So we'll have this to be some 2n plus 2. We'll check if it is divisible by 8. One point is very sure. I can remove 2 here, 2 here. So we'll be ending up with n into n plus 1 by 2 2s are 4. We'll have a 2 cancelled and we'll have a 2 in the denominator. 2 comes out, 2 comes out. N into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 is always, n into n plus 1 is always divisible by 2 for any natural number. So this will be always divisible. Because take n into n plus 1, you are going to consider integers. You will have integers, in that sense always two consecutive integers. The product will be divisible by 2. Why? Because for sure one of them is odd, the other one is even. Because we are considering consecutive numbers, always it will work. Any two consecutive numbers, one odd, one even. That even number will break 2. It will be divisible by 2, making it divisible by 2. This expression, that means this expression will be divisible by 8, making this expression is always divisible by 8 whenever k is odd. So option D, an odd integer. K should be an odd integer. Should be the right answer. We'll check this. Option D is the right answer.